Hello friends, welcome to brand new tutorial of Nerd Code with Sankalp. In today's tutorial, we have discussed about Java Virtual Thread. Java Virtual Thread is very important concept guys for industrial application. For industrial application, traffic will be high. For that, we have per minute 1000, 2000, 4000, 5000 requests. So we have to uh, manage that request by using threads. If you using the JVM thread, it will be limitation. If you is using the Java Virtual Thread concept, then it will be no limitation and it will be fast. Okay, for that I have created one sample two microservices, and we have checked how we can implement the Java virtual thread and how we can implement without implement and with implement of Java virtual thread. Okay, then we have creating one Spring Boot two microservices. Then we have creating like this Spring.io. Okay, start.spring.io. Okay, Spring Initializer tool, guys. This is the Java Spring Utilizer, Spring Boot Spring Initializer tool. Here we can create the Maven project, Java project, and one thing note, guys, we have to implement the thread, Java virtual thread. It will be Java version will Spring Boot version will be higher than 2.2. Okay, then it will be okay 3.5.5, and we have to giving name like com dot learn code with Sankalp dot. We are creating hero microservice. Okay, hero. Okay, our project like hero micro service. Okay, and demo project of hero micro service. Okay, and here you can work naming convention like hero micro service. Okay, it will be giving the red. So what is the issue? Com dot hero micro service. Okay, and it will be Java packaging jar. And one thing note, guys, for Java virtual thread, we are using Java 21. Okay, and we have added the dependency like on Spring Web. Okay, Spring Web dependency we have added, and we have created the project. Okay, our project is created, guys. Then we have to show in the folder. It will be downloaded, guys. Then we have to copy this and put to the or this folder. Okay. Then we have to unzip that. Okay, unzip it completed, guys. Then here we can add the bridge idea. Okay, we have opening up IntelliJ IDEA. We have import that project in the IntelliJ IDEA. Firstly, we have add the project. There will be by default project open, guys. Then we have to open and the drive and Spring Boot project and Java children, and this is our created our project. Okay, this is project we have select this window. Okay, our project is importing, guys. Then we have to create some packages. Okay, then here already main class will be created, guys, for Spring Boot, and then we have to add the two packages for controller layer. Okay, then here you can add the package like new Java class, or we have add the like first dot controller. Okay, and inside the controller we have create one class like hero. Okay, and we have giving the annotation like at the rate rest controller. Okay, and here you can create one simple method, guys. It will be returning the one JSON data. Okay, that method name like public list of string get all hero data. Okay, and here you can return the return. We have firstly import that class return list of we are adding the name like Salman Khan, Amir Khan, Amir Khan, and Ranveer Singh. And other like which hero we have add to Ajay Devgan. Okay, we have added this few of heroes. Okay, then we have to add the mapping like okay. Then here we can add the mapping like this mapping like heroes. Okay, that's all, guys. This simple method it will be converted into the our giving the list. Okay, we have removing the extra pace. Okay, then here you can one properties file. Okay, here you can hero microservice will be added, and here you can give the port. Okay, server dot. Okay, port will have giving the 8181. Okay, that's all, guys. Our microservice is completed. It's simple microservice. We have created one method. Okay, then we have to run this microservice and test that how we can microservice will be giving the output or not. Okay, debug as hero microservice application. Project is running, guys. Wait. Okay, project is running, guys. 8282. We have to localhost 8282 slash heroes. No, to localhost 8282. Semicolon is missing. What is the errors we have getting? We have to check. Okay, our port is different, guys. So it will be giving the error. Okay, this application is running and we are getting the heroes list. Okay, at the list. Okay, then we have to create another one microservices. For that, I have going into the start.spring.io. Okay, and here you can create the another microservices for the director microservice or Bollywood microservice. Okay, the Java Maven 3.4.5 and from dot Bollywood. Okay, and here you can also type Bollywood and Bollywood micro service. Okay, and jar and 21, and it will be correct. Okay, and here you can add the dependency. Dependency will be that web, only web dependency will be needed, guys. Then we have to add web dependency. Okay, then we have to generate. Our file is created, guys. We have to open this. We have copy this to the our main directory. Okay, here we can here we will extract here. Okay, our Bollywood macros is also extracted. Okay, then we have to copy this path and go to the IntelliJ IDEA, new or open, paste the path, and we have select the folder. Okay, our Bollywood macros is also created, guys. Here we can guys the giving the some we are creating the REST template. Okay, then here we can giving the app config. Okay, then we have to add the app config. uh, Here you can add the config class inside this Java class like app. Okay, inside configuration class we have given an annotation like at the rate configuration. Okay, and then we have to add like this uh, public REST template, duplicate new return new REST template. Okay, this we have to use in the our controller class. Okay, here we can create another class like controller uh, Bollywood controller. Okay, and here you can give the annotation like at the rate. Okay, and we have to add to wire private REST template equal to REST template. Okay, and here you can create the method from the our hero microservices, getting the data from the hero microservices. Okay, then we have to create the method like public string get all data from API. Okay, then here you can add the system.out.ln. Here you can add the thread. Okay, which thread is running. So we have to running thread plus thread dot current thread. Okay, then here you can identify that what is the current thread is running. Okay, then here you can create the URL. Okay, string URL is equal to add the HTTP local host 8181 slash zeros. Okay, and if you have written the the REST template dot get for object giving the URL and return type like string dot. Okay, that's all, guys. We have added the. Okay, then here you can add the classes, and then we have to add the application name. Okay, then properties file we have given the Bollywood. It is already there, and we have given the port like server dot port is equal to 9191. Okay, that's all, guys. Uh, I think it is enough. Okay, then we have to run this project microservices. Or we have add the thread limit. Okay, then we have to add like server dot tomcat dot ch thread dot max. We have set the max is 10. Okay, then we have to run this project and how check how we can project will be running. Here we can run the right click on this and debug as services. Let's see our project is running or not. Okay, it will be giving the error. REST template not found. Okay, and we have to solve this error. Okay, guys, we have a small mistake that we have forget to make as bin. Okay, correct. Uh, okay, we have saved that and we have rerun our project. That is our 1991 and 8081 code is running. Then we have to check like 1991 localhost 9191. Hmm. Localhost 9191. We have getting the white label error. Okay, why this we have getting? Because that we have not giving any path. Okay, then we have to get mapping like give the path. Okay, and then we have written application. We have getting 9191. Okay, then we have to try to hit this. Okay, we have getting the data from our hero microservice to the Bollywood microservice. Okay, then task will be that we have running the thread. Okay, here you can hit the thread, then it will be hitting the thread. Okay, see we can see that we have hitting the thread 48, hitting the thread 55, 54. Okay, then we have to add some here. We can add some thread dot sleep. Okay, here you can add that thread dot sleep. We have giving the 1000 millisecond. Here we are giving the exception throw exception. We have throw the exception. Okay, and we have to save and return. Okay, our project is running, guys. Then we have to check this it is working or not. Okay, this is working, guys. Then we have to firstly uh, once we have hit the, the API endpoint, then here you can see that our thread is running. Okay, thread is running. Firstly, it will be running 48 thread, 55 thread, 50 thread, 57 thread. Okay, we have to test the bulk data, bulk API hit. So we have using the Java JMeter. I already downloaded the Java JMeter Spring Boot project, and where here. Here we can added the Java JMeter. Inside Java JMeter, we have bin folder, and inside bin folder, we have Java JMeter jar file, executable jar file. Okay, then we have to run this. The JMeter is running, guys. You can see that two times it running. We have closed one. Okay, and here we can add the request, and here Java geometry is the for the bulk hits. Means we have to hit the 5 times, 10 times, 1,000 times. It will be giving the real time scenario and giving the real time millisecond. Means which request will be required more time or more efficiency or more bandwidth. It will be showing. Okay, then it is very simple, guys. It is dashboard of JMeter. And here we can add the listener. Okay. There will be firstly we have to add the create the test plan. Firstly, we have new create the test plan. After creating the test plan, we have to add the group. Okay. Then we have to add this group create dot create group. Okay. And here you can give the which type of number of threads, ramp of parade, and it will be loop or anything. You will have to add. Okay. Then I have adding the 5 times, which will use the second will be 3, and loop count will be also 1. Okay, one time it will be running. Okay, then we have to add the sampler. Okay, then we have to add the sampler, and we have to add sampler like HTTP request. Okay, then here you can add the our uh, port number and API endpoint like this. Local host. Okay, and here we have give the port number like which API we have to hit like server.9191 and http and path will be slash. Okay, that's all, guys, and we have tried to hit this. Okay, then here we can for the result we have to here like uh, for report we have to user add this threads add listener view result in table. Okay, then we have to hit this. Okay, we have 5 time it will be hitting, and it will be giving the getting the response in the 1015, 1020, 1028, 1025, 1015. Okay, this type of response we have getting, but we have to need to reduce this response. We have need to reduce this response. So we are adding the one annotation inside our Bollywood application. Here you can add one annotation like read. Okay, so we have to add like spring dot read dot fuel dot enable is equal to now our project invalid property. We have spelling mistake here also. and we have rerun our project. Then we have to hit our endpoint. Okay, we have to firstly clear this, and then we have hit our endpoint. Okay, see that we have reduced timing, and here you can log inside said that it will be running on virtual thread. Okay, okay. I hope you have understood concept of virtual thread. Not me, very much hard logic, guys. We have to add only this annotation like this. Okay. I hope you understand my concept. If you like my video, then please subscribe my channel and please bell icon. Okay, guys, thank you. Bye.